Wetlands are the distinct areas on Earth that are covered with water either permanently or seasonally. The name itself makes the definition clear. Wetlands, meaning wet lands, areas of lands on Earth that are wet or saturated with water. Such flooding creates oxygen-free processes within the soil that enhances the vegetation of aquatic plants. Such flooded lands also prevail the lives of many migrating and non-migrating birds and animals. Wetlands are formed naturally by either freshwater, brackish water, or by salty water. Depending on the source of the water body they have been formed by. There may be several reasons of their formation. For example, tide wetlands are formed by the ocean tides. Estuaries are formed due to mixed tidal and river water. Floodplains are formed due to the decomposition of overflowed water from river and lakes, springs, seeps and fens are formed due to the groundwater discharge. Wetlands have proven to be highly productive and biodiverse ecosystem because of their rich anaerobic vegetation. They possess the capacity of providing innumerable benefits to mankind. On one hand, they provide food and shelter to thousands of threatened and endangered species, while on the other hand, the paddy fields, one of the major food consumption of mankind, is the yield of wetlands. On our discussion of in the importance of wetlands, I would hereon like to mention about how wetlands act as the first land barriers at the borders between large water bodies and the terrestrial ecosystem. They prevent the floods from river and ocean to reach the land and create nonsense. They also prevent contaminants and pollutants from the land to directly enter and pollute the water bodies. The green vegetation of the wetlands absorb the large amount of carbon dioxide thrown out as waste from industries and vehicles, changes it into simpler and useful compound like glucose, the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms during the process of photosynthesis. Such processing of carbon dioxide and other harmful gases can forbid global warming, which is becoming a major problem these days. In this way, wetlands play a major role in purifying the atmosphere and thereby creating a healthy environment. Wetlands also support decomposition of dead organic matter into simpler organic or inorganic substances like carbon dioxide, water, sugar, and salts. Also, wetlands are a great habitat for an immense variety of microbes, plants, insects, amphibians, reptiles, fish, birds, and animals. Many migrating birds find a home on wetlands. They also act as beautiful tourist and recreational spots. They not only provide mankind with food but also support their livelihood by giving opportunities to earn. Wetlands can be referred as natural supermarkets that are incredibly important and diverse as they provide huge amount of food and shelter to the living entities. They clean the environment by purifying water, air, and soil. In fact, nothing is wasted in the wetlands. Even the dead matters are recycled and reused. Wetlands also prevent the area from floods, soil erosion, landslides, as the root system are so strong that they can easily absorb excess water. Though wetlands were once considered as wastelands and hence many of them suffered destruction, they have proven to be the most beautiful and important part of the ecosystem. But human activities and uncontrolled necessities like drainage, farming, housing, road, and industrial construction are the major reasons of the destruction of wetlands. I wonder why do we not realize that destroying wetlands will destroy the whole ecosystem and we humans are too a part of it. Thank you.